Are you ready to take your Arduino skills to the next level and learn how to use stepper motors to create dynamic, precise movement? This comprehensive course will guide you through the process step by step, so you can feel confident tackling any project that requires stepper motor control. In just a few hours, you'll have the knowledge and skills to bring your ideas to life. My name is Taryn McPherson, and I am a senior design engineer here at Gentium Electronics. I will be using the skills that I have acquired from over 5 years of experience in engineering, science, and teaching to guide you through every step of this course. You will learn the fundamentals of stepper motors and the Arduino platform step by step, from basics to advanced topics like controlling motors with sensor inputs. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create your own projects for robotics or IoT. This course was created by a team of experienced industry professionals, so you can be sure that you're gaining up-to-date knowledge and skills. Our team aims to give you the training you wouldn't find in any textbook or YouTube tutorial. In this course, you will master the Arduino platform for robotics and IoT applications, discover the inner workings of stepper motors to command their speed and position with precision, create your own impressive stepper motor projects, and develop advanced problem-solving skills to overcome obstacles and optimize your projects for success. Our approach includes hands-on examples, self-assessment quizzes, and short, digestible lectures. Our course is designed for anyone with a basic understanding of electronics and programming. Students, hobbyists, and anyone interested in learning about stepper motors and Arduino are welcome. Don't just learn about stepper motors, master them with our comprehensive Arduino course. Enroll now to gain the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in your robotics and IoT projects.